Is the end. Hey! Oh, yeah, stop picture me and remove this picture away.
I'm videoing you, I'm not picturing you.
Okay.
Enokwa. Enokwa. As people that slept in their room today, enokwa. Eh? Sing for me now.
No, I don't want. Remove your video.
Hey. Eh? I should remove my video. Chineke me.
I said I'm tired.
You're tired? Oh my God.
This is my cuties.
Assam. Amaya.
Don't tickle me up.
I'll tickle you. Amaya, come and wear your shoe.
Okay.
Guys, okay. Mommy, wait, let me tell them what you did. She slept in her room for the first time today. Your lips are dry. Once I'm done, I will apply some Vaseline. So she slept in her room for the first time today. This is the sixth night or sixth day after I transformed this room. Which I'm sure some of you must have seen the video by now. But if you haven't seen the video, go and watch the video. Here is the video thumbnail. So the first night was hectic and horrible. She didn't want to sleep here. Second night, the same thing. You will put her here. After some time, she will run back to my room. Third night, fourth night, fifth night. Okay, on the fifth night, which was 2 days ago, she slept, and then in the middle of the night, she ran back to my room. But at least she slept for a longer period of time compared to previous days. But yesterday night, she made a pinky promise to me, right, Mama? Yes, she told me that, Mommy, she's not going to come back to my room again. She promised. I said, promise? She said, yes. She made a pinky promise like this, right? Yes. And then I also told her that, see, if you don't sleep in this room till daybreak, I will not get you ready for school this morning. You guys know that Blessing loves school so much. Like, even yesterday evening, she was telling me that, Mommy, okay, now it's time to go to school because they have been at home for the past how many days? Since Friday. Today is Thursday. So they have been at home and they are going to school today because of the Halloween and stuff. So she was telling me that she wants to go to school. So I used, because she loves going to school, to kind of I don't even know the word to use, but I was like, if you don't sleep throughout the night, I will not get you ready for school this morning. And my baby girl slept from night till morning. This morning, I even came to this room. I saw her still sleeping. She was even snoring. Oh, my baby, you made me so proud and I am so happy, but don't swallow me.
I'm going to be proud of you.
My Lord, are you back? Okay, let's wear your shoe. Daddy is back. He went to drop the older ones. Now it's Blessing's turn. Come on, go down, go get your shoes. Go get your shoes. Go get your shoes. Go get your shoes.
What else the bazooka?
What actually got who called bazooka?
What else the bazooka?
Kwenye
Create.
Asim.
Assim.
What actually got who called
What
bazooka?
a
Ni kuro oka.
Assim create oka.
Nwata chọrọ ịga akwụkwọ mbọsị ụka.
Nwata bụ soka.
Onye dị ihe a?
Ndị ya.
Gị.
Gị.
It's you. You want to go to school every day?
You want to go to school every day?
No, me, I'm going to work every day.
No, we are going to work every day.
Where are you working?
To street.
To street. She's walking to street.
Where are you working? Tell me.
Where are you working? Tell me.
Compy?
In Bus Compy.
But I don't know you. I've not seen you.
But
there.
I don't know you are free.
No, if you have not been seeing me, then where you
Because
guys-
son Igbo. Son Igbo. Mama. What is the time? This is 8:23. 8:23.
Listen.
This one is like 5 minutes faster. Hobby set this one 5 minutes faster, be faster.
Listen.
Listen.
Gabriel.
Blah, blah, kagi.
Mama gaburu nke gị lee nke gị ebe enu. Listen. Lee akpa gị ebe enu. Gaburu akpa gị nee ya.
Give me this back, because it's my own.
Which one?
Your own of this.
Onye go again.
I ain't go again.
My lord. Mezie na ebere bupụrụ anyị fan ebe a biko.
Happy I dey use in a winter.
This is the 6th day after I arranged that room.
You gonna go Joshua and Caleb say ya ha.
My jacket.
These children, they can off fan during winter. Joshua doesn't use eyes to see fan. Like, hey, Mama Mia.
What about I give you a mag put there? I say it happen. I say how you say how boy I got how you to wa ha got to share her my fan.
Hi.
Hi, Mama. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh my days. But honestly, it's been 6 days since this fan. I brought this fan out here. It's waiting for you now. You're not the man of the house. See my husband. Look, he went to work with banana. I saw it.
I forgot it and it's changing color.
My lord, bupute banana. Look at.
I forgot it. Still leave it here. Nobody should touch it.
See your life.
I'll use it and do pancake.
No, banana bread. He went to work with banana and came back with it. That
Don't
means
mind
you were not hungry.
Don't mind me. At times, I'm like, oh, bread. You got bread. I'm going to get one machine and wash it. Get to one
She said, Daddy, let's walk.
If every time she tell me let's walk.
But mommy, it's raining.
I have put your hand.
It's raining.
She always like to go by foot.
Mama mia. She said, Daddy, let's walk. She will be walking fast. That's what she does. I will be the one running after her. Eh? Bye, Angel. Bye.
Where is my
She's even blowing kisses.
Where is the kiss? Okay.
Where are my keys? Where are my keys?
Where are my keys?
Oh, where are my? Where are my keys? No, your breakfast is already set now. Bye, Angel. My lord, please hold her. I'm not going to call now, but hold her, please. Bye bye. Good morning, guys. Hope you slept well. Guys, please, allow me to rant a bit. I just turned on my camera now just to rant, because this morning I was so pissed off. Favor, after getting ready for school, she told me that she wants to change her sports shoes. So I was then asking her, what happened to the one you went to school with previously? She said that that one is now paining her, like the shoe is now tight on her. And the thing got me really, really, really upset. I was like, how can parents buy shoes and give to the children? Because this is one of the school's requirements. It's not like we did it because we want to do it. This is what the school requested of us. Now, I was like, how can parents buy shoes, give to their children or to their child, and they will go and keep it in school, wear it only once a week, and before you know it, the child has outgrown the shoes, and we are expected to buy another shoe, bring it to school, keep it there, and continue. The cycle continues to repeat itself. I was so upset. I was like, this is not right, and it's not fair on us parents. They claim that they love children, yet you don't have pity on us, the parents. Like, does it make sense? I just want to bring it on here so that I can hear you guys' suggestions and opinions on this matter. Do you do same for your children as well, for their school? Do you buy shoes and give to your child or your children to keep at school and wear it only once a week just because they are doing sports? I can understand the fact that they don't want the kids to bring dirt from outside into the sports room. I understand that, but it's too much. It's too much. A lot of requirements, a lot of meetings, a lot of things. I'm fed up. I am really fed up. I am so fed up. Okay, last week, was it last week? Yes, last week, my husband bought 2 pairs of shoes for Favor because almost all her shoes are now tight on her. So my hubby went to the supermarket and bought 2 pairs of shoes, like 2 different pairs of shoes, different types and different colors, different designs as well. So that shoe now, Favor has taken 1 out of the 2 shoes that hubby bought for her. She went to school this morning with 1 of those shoes. And now the shoe will be in school to be worn only once a week, and then in like 2 or 3 months now, maybe she will outgrow the shoes and we will be expected to buy a new shoe again. Meanwhile, if she was going to school from home or going out with the shoes, at least she can wear the shoes multiple times before she outgrows them. But no, she will take it to school, keep it there, and wear it only once, and outgrow it in like 2-3 months, 4 months. Please, I want to hear you guys' opinions on this matter. Let me know if this is it a normal thing in your child's school or in your children's school?
I went to pick the boys from school, and this was on a Thursday. So every Thursdays, Favor stays back in school for her extramural lessons while the boys dismiss by 1 o'clock as usual. So of course, Blessing is still in school. I'll be going back to pick those 2 around 3:45 and 4 o'clock. So yeah, this is what we do every Thursday. And on this week, hubby was doing afternoon shift as well. So I was the one in charge of picking the kids from school. Guys, here is Favor. She just came in from school now. And this is the shoe I was telling you guys about. The shoe I was talking about. Look at it. She has outgrown this one.
And it's spinning.
Now the shoe is paining her. Can you see? Look at this beautiful shoe now. Can you see it? Bring it out, Favor. Look, very new. You can see this shoe is still very new. The good thing is that I will keep it for blessing. That's the only good thing here. If not, this thing now is a waste, total waste of money. Eh? And it's not been too long since we bought this shoe. We bought these shoes last term. The school that closed before this September 1. That was when my husband bought these shoes. This thing you are seeing here. Now, it's no more in use. Just like that, so. Eh? And you say I shouldn't rant about this. It's not fair. They should consider this. They should think about it and find another way to do this thing. How many of you have tried this combination before? This is yogurt and this is buns, obviously. Do you guys remember this yogurt? In the video, I tied a lot of them and then I put them in the freezer. So this is the only one left in the freezer. And Blessing was like, Mommy, I want yogurt. The one that you like, she explained it. And then I got to understand that she was actually referring to this particular one. So I just asked Favor to bring it out from the freezer. It's still very frozen, very hard and difficult to bite into. And you guys, we are in winter now, so to actually lick this is a struggle. Like, I don't even know how Blessing remembered this thing. It's a struggle, so I'm just keeping it here. Now she doesn't want it anymore. Just so you know, she doesn't want it anymore. I just want to use it to eat these buns, but this combination is super delicious, like so good. Apart from the fact that it's blocked, but it's really nice. So you just take the buns and bite. Then follow it up with this. A must try combo. Definitely a must try. I can't even talk well.